Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Din, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare all your ingredients, mix your spices and then cook the final dish. A very simple method I'm going to use here, so follow the instructions carefully. Please pause the video now and write down all the ingredients you need to cook this dish. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, now is the time to subscribe. Hit the notification button so you get notified when I post new videos. So let's cook. Now here in Tenerife is mango season, and basically my friend who's got a mango plantation, Mary, she bought me these lovely mangoes, and why not make mango chutney? We have some hard ones here and some soft ones, so I'm going to use both to create this beautiful mango chutney. To begin, we have to now prepare our mangoes by peeling them. So I'm using, like I said, some hard mangoes and also some soft ones. This mango chutney is going to be very rich, full of flavour. I never made mango chutney when I had my restaurants because we used to use barrels of mango chutney and it would just be too time consuming. So, but at home we can make our own. And if it's cheaper mangoes, like £2–3 a kilo, it's worth making. If it's more than that, then it's not really worth making. So my mangoes are free, so it's definitely worth making. So you slice it down the side, as you can see. We're going to make it a little bit chunky. I like a lot of texture to my mango chutney, not like where it's really cooked to pulp. I like it where you can chew the mangoes and enjoy it as well. So my mango chutney is going to be a little bit firm and also very rich in flavour, because there's a lot of spices I'm going to use in here, and you'll see the difference between homemade and shop bought mango chutney. This is the hardest part of making mango chutney, is cutting up the mangoes and getting it ready. Otherwise it's very easy to make mango chutney. And before you start, you can sterilize your jars, what you're going to use, and look it up on YouTube how to sterilize jars, and basically that will keep for a good year without going bad. But it won't last that long, because I'm sure it'll be consumed long before then. As you can see, I've put some fennel seeds here and also some meti seeds, Fenugreek, and I'm going to just toast this just a little. If the fry pan gets a little bit too hot, just lift it up and just keep turning it, and that will do it quicker. And we're going to grind this into a nice powder and put this aside for later. Since retiring from the restaurant industry, I do like to make my own chutney nowadays, mainly because you know what you're getting and what's going into it. So let's get started anyway. In a large saucepan, put your oil and then your mustard seeds and also your onion seeds, also known as karinji. This will give it a nice little flavour. Toss that around for a minute or so and just let that infuse everything into the oil. And then we're going to add our ingredients. We're going to first add the cardamon powder, and then we're going to add the black salt. If you haven't got black salt, add normal salt. And then we're going to add the mixture we made of fenugreek and fennel seeds, and then our ginger powder, and also our turmeric, and also some Kashmiri Red Chilli powder, and also our red chilies, what we chopped up, and also some chili flakes. This will give it a little bite to it, and give that a little bit of a toss in, but make sure it's not too hot, the oil. We don't want it to burn. Now add it in your mangoes, and then the process really begins. This is really easy to make. Once you make it once, and you'll see how easy it is to make, you'd be surprised. But in the meantime, while this is cooking, remember to sterilize your jars and your lids so that we can put everything in it once it's cooked. Now this is cane sugar, raw cane sugar, and also white sugar you're putting in. If you haven't got raw cane sugar, then just put sugar in its place. And we're going to put a cup of white vinegar, or I'm using coconut vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar, that will do fine. Now give this a really good stir. What we're going to do is bring it to the boil. So when it's really nice and boiling, we're going to place a lid on it and then just let it simmer for a good 40-45 minutes, and that's it. Mango chutney done. That's how easy this chutney is to make. But remember to keep stirring it while this process is happening, so it doesn't stick to the bottom. I have an induction hob, and I find that everything seems to stick to this hob. I was going to make this outside, but we've got a climate at the moment and it's really hot outside. I think it's about 33 out there today. So I decided to make it inside with my aircon on, and it's nice and comfortable, but I have to keep stirring it. Right, this is what we want. We want it, all the sugar and everything is all melted down with the moisture of the mango. Now I'm going to put the lid on it and just leave it for 45 minutes, occasionally just giving it a stir, as you can see, and that's it. Mango chutney will be done in 45 minutes. Isn't this a really beautiful colour? As you can see, it's really rich brown colour. That's because of the raw cane sugar I've put in here and all the different spices, where in the restaurant you get it all pale looking, because they mostly use sugar in their mango chutney because it's cheaper. So basically, if you make it at home, you are getting superior quality of mango chutney, or anything you cook at home. You know exactly what's going into it. So keep on stirring it every couple of minutes now, because we just don't want it to stick, especially as we've been stirring for the last 45 minutes, and this is nearly ready to go. But remember to have the sterilised jars ready. If you don't know how to sterilise your jars, it's quite simple. Best to maybe just pick up a YouTube video and check out it's done, and then get all your jars ready. This will make probably about 7 to 8 jars of mango chutney, so you need at least 7 or 8 jars. I've used probably about 2.4 kilos of mango chutney. That's after I've de-seeded and chopped it all up, so it's not the raw mango chutney before I've peeled it. So after you've peeled it, you want about 2 kilos, 300 grams, and that should be enough to make 7 or 8 jars, depending on the size of your jars. Anyway, this is my mango chutney. I hope you enjoy making this. I know definitely you enjoy eating it, and it's just perfect with curry, any curry. Just put it on the side, mix it in with your curry and rice, and it's beautiful. And it's especially beautiful with poppadoms, because it's got that a little bit of bite texture to it, where restaurant mango chutney is quite pulpy and it's quite really soft. So this one has more kind of texture to it. So thanks for watching. Remember, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, it only takes a second. Please subscribe. It helps the channel to grow, and it also puts it up to higher algorithm, they call it, I think. So I bid you goodbye, and please let me know in the comments what you think of this chutney. But remember, let it cool before you eat it, because it is very hot. So bye for now, and I hope to see you soon in my next video.